Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment e-business week 5th assignment 5th. So the first question is, which of the following matrix does not relate to maintenance of an information system? So these are the option MTTF, MTTR, response time, all of the above. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, MTTF mean time to failure and MTTR mean time to repair. So the answer of our first question is C. Now, the second question is splitting the traffic across the servers is called dash. So these are the option dynamic load balancing, multi-threading, forking, traffic handling. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, dynamic load balancing is splitting the traffic across the server. So the answer of our second question is A, dynamic load balancing. Now the third question is, the proxy server is responsible for which of the following tasks? So these are the option caching for traffic reduction, firewalls for security and privacy, load balancing, all of the above. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, proxies, network, traffic reduction, privacy and security, firewalls, load balancing. So the answer of our third question is D, all of the above. Now the fourth question is, if an HTTP response is marked as non-authoritative, it is sent by the dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, how DNS work? The ISP first tries to answer by itself using cached data. If the answer is found, it is returned, since the ISP is not in charge of the DNS and is just acting as a DNS relay. The answer is marked non-authoritative. So the answer of our fourth question is C, internet service providers cache. Now the fifth question is, which of the following is not true for the cookies? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, cookies, privacy issue, server sets cookie by sending a set cookie header in HTTP response, set cookie name equal to value. So the answer of our fifth question is B, it contains the browsing history of the associated website. Now the sixth question is, during memory reference, a page fault occurs if. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, the main memory. All object referred by a program need to reside in main memory, page fault. So the answer of our sixth question is C, a page is not present in the main memory. Now the seventh question is, hard disk of a computer is a. So these are the option, optical memory, magnetic memory, semiconductor memory, flash memory. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, magnetic disk, floppy disk, hard disk. So the answer of our seventh question is B, magnetic memory. Now the eighth question is, operating system is a. So these are the options, system management software, system development software, application software, none of the above. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, the operating system collection of program designed to manage the system's resources, namely memory, processors, device and information, program and data. So the answer of our eighth question is A, system management software. Now the ninth question is, system CPU time is the time taken by. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, CPU time, the time when CPU is computing, not including the waiting time for IO or for running other programs, user CPU time, system CPU time. So the answer of our ninth question is B, operating system and other system management software. Now the 10th question is, which of the following is not a part of TCP IP protocol stack? So these are the options, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, TCP IP transport layer, network layer, link layer. So the answer of our 10th question is A, physical layer. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.